Local doctors have been away for several weeks in Turkey, helping victims of the earthquakes that devastated the country and Syria. Over 50,000 people have died, and rescue efforts are still underway nearly 1 month later. Our Bill Barajas live near Bush Intercontinental Airport, where those doctors landed tonight. Bill?
Yeah, those doctors touched down at about 7 here in Houston. They were in both Turkey and Syria with a team of U.S. physicians to provide support and training for earthquake victims there. They called it a humanitarian mission, an experience unlike many others. Once on the ground, the team saw the devastation firsthand. The massive February 6 earthquakes claiming more than 50,000 lives in both Turkey and Syria combined. Turkey's disaster management agency calling it the worst national disaster in a century. They say some 214,000 buildings containing 608,000 apartments either collapsed or suffered heavy damage. Dr. Sophia Banu, a psychiatrist and assistant professor of psychiatry and behavioral sciences at the Baylor College of Medicine, along with medical resident Dr. Danielle Albaba, say Med Global, a humanitarian non-government organization that provides emergency response and health programs in disaster regions, organized the trip.
It was really important for mental health providers to be there, not to treat people as much as training the workers, the frontline workers, providing support for them, community health workers, mental health workers to do training. So we basically focus on training the trainers, so to build capacity, so that when we leave, then they can then train other people.
I'm a Syrian American, so for me it was very personal. It was very, very painful to see my people kind of devastated. As we left Turkey and entered northwest Syria, just seeing lines and lines and lines of tents in a place that used to be beautiful countryside and farmlands was very, very emotional, as you can imagine. And a lot of those people fled their homes. Their homes are still intact, but they're afraid to sleep in their homes.
And those doctors were in Syria and Turkey for about 2 weeks. When we asked them if they would return, Sion, they did not hesitate. They said, quote, without a doubt. We're live from Bush Intercontinental Airport. Bill Barajas, KPRC 2 News.